They have, look at that, oh. They have written by the tribes. Maybe they have, look at that, they have written for the historical of the space. Yes. For how many years? Maybe like this. Oh, they have. They have proof. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. That is maybe created by the our ancestor.
Yes.
Yeah. They have also like here. Talagang wow, amazing place talaga. Grabe. Kakatuwa siya. See? This place is very nice. Oh my gosh. You stay, my love. Ito mga sulat to ng ating mga ninono eh. Ayan oh. Grabe oh. Mga ano to eh. Mga sulat to ng mga ninono. Oh, ito pa oh. Especially this one. Created by the ancestors. Oh. Ayan oh.
Nakaraan nila may drawing dito. Yung ano yung parang mga tao-tao anuhan.
Ito. Wow. Grabe. Oh. Mga sulat to ng mga ninuno namin. Ang tribe na to. Grabe. Wow guys. Amazing. Oh. Talagang mga sulat to ng mga ninuno. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-ano. Oh. Talagang oh, grabe oh. Amazing. Ngayon lang ako nakapasok sa kuwebang ganito. Na merong mga historical place.
Malalim yan?
Ito.
Malalim yan?